Hi, today we will discuss how to use switch keyboard in C programming language. Okay, for that we have to use switch keyboard, and basic syntax of switch is first we have to write switch open bracket and here option or identifier. Okay, you can say okay identifier. Okay, identifier close bracket. Don't put semicolon after that and use use open brace, okay, and closing brace. And next we have to use, along with switch we have to use case. Okay, here identifier and terminate with colon. Okay, and write here what you want. Okay, printf like your requirement. And case 2, case identifier. Okay, next here I can write anything here. And case 3 you can write identify your requirement, different possibilities. Actually why we use switch is if by using if condition there is two possibilities we can check, but in case more than two possibilities sometimes we have to execute, there is possibility of more than two possible more than two possibilities maybe. Yeah, you may write in your program. Just I will give best example. Just here menu is there na. That is menu file alt. When you press alt F, alt E, alt S, alt run. Okay, this is the best example for switch. When you press alt F, it's supposed to open file. When you press alt R, it's supposed to open alt R. Here more than two possibilities are there. Here one, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 possibilities are there. Okay. In such case, we use like this switch case. Okay, na? Here, one more important thing is after case, every time we have to write break keyword. It means it breaks the state, break the case completely. It breaks the switch. Okay, after execution of case, next it does not do, so it's not supposed to work another case. What happen if you not used break? It don't know. Yeah, this program don't know where to break. Okay, then what it goes without break statement, it again execute next case. Okay, that's why we have to use break after that case is executed. For example, if I give an identifier as one, and for example this one is the one. Okay, what happened here? It prints something. What you wrote, just it prints here, and after that it has to execute break statement. Break statement means it breaks the statement. It breaks the case. It means after that it directly come. It exists from switch. Okay, this is a very important. And one more keyword we will use okay, in switch, that is the default. If all cases are there, all cases is there. For example, if no cases, here for example I will explain. Here I am using three cases, 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, if I given choice of 4, means that case is not there. In that case it executes the default. Okay, default case, nothing but default here mentioning means that is a default case. If you wrote something, it prints, it gives output what you wrote here. Okay, let me see. I will explain one best example, simple basic example of switch. Just I'm taken one number, integer number, and I'm asking one number, reading number. Here, this is the identifier. Okay, this is the multiple possibilities. You may give any number. Okay, I wrote, I will give output for your input. Okay, here more than you can give any number. Just I wrote program for up to 10 numbers. Okay, up to 10 numbers, case 7, case 8, case 9. Okay, sorry, up to 9 numbers, case 9 and 10. Okay, for example, when I enter here, what happened here? Switch when you executed a program. Okay, what I am executing here. Okay, it asking number. I given 9. Okay, switch internally number means 9. What happened here? Let me see. It directly goes to, it does not execute 1 2 3 4. It directly goes to case 9. The program know where it has to go. Directly it entered into case 9. Okay, it prints and it breaks the program. Okay, let me see what happened here. Okay, 9. Okay, this is where program will be executed. And let me see again. I will enter. Actually, I taken 9 cases, but I will give 10. Let me see what output will come. Okay, here case 1, case 2, case 3, up to case 9 will be there. Case 10 is not defined in my program, so directly it goes to default, because if no case is there in switch, then it take default case. Okay, just let me see where it goes directly to default case. Okay, you can execute program easily by pressing F7. Okay, it explains where your statement is going. Now I am pressed F7. Okay, it prints and it is taking break case. Okay, sorry, your choice is not there. This is where my program will execute. Let I will explain without break. Okay, let me see. I will change one just simple case. I will change simple example. I will show. In first case, I am removing break. Let me see what will happen here. And what happened? Just first case I will explain. Okay. For that I am giving case one value, and I am running. What happened? Already it printed one printed. Okay. Again here I not mentioned break statement here. That's why what happened here, it does not know, this switch does not know where to break. Okay, it follows the case, but it does not know where to break. Okay, that's why again it going to second case. Okay, now here it breaking the my switch. Okay, let me see. As per my explanation, without break it's supposed to print 1 and 2. Okay, let me see whether it printed or not 1 and 2, because first, this one does not have one case one. I not used break. That's why it taken second case also. Second case means followed case. If you taken case three, it will go for next. Here, if I mentioned 3, that it take next. What means it goes to followed case only. Okay. Now I put break. Let me see what happening or what will happen here. Okay. Again, I'm F7. F7 means step by step execution. Okay, what happened? Just I'm given case one. Let me see. It internal number is 1. Then it directly goes to case 1. Okay, after it printing, okay, it printed 1, and followed by break statement is there. Just it breaks up my program, means my switch, and again it directly jumps that from that switch. Okay, now get ch will be executed. Okay, what happened here? My program choice is 1, so it executed case 1 and it printed 1. After that, it break that switch. Okay, it exit, then it will be exit from switch, and my program will be terminated here. This is where we use switch. Okay, most important thing is, if you're using switch means you have to use switch keyword, case keyword, break keyword, and finally default keyword. Okay, These are all very important things in switch. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.